what you're hearing, me slowly tuning through the AM band. And this is all the noise I get. Going back the other way on the dial, back towards 550. And I'll switch it to shortwave. Now it's on shortwave. It's much quieter. But I want to show you also the two 6F6G tubes are right there. And as you can see, one is lit. Oh, excuse me. Fairly well, and one is barely lit. So I don't know if that plays a factor into it as well. Those are both output tubes. All the other tubes seem to be lit. That is a 6L7G right there. And here, pardon me. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That is a 6K7G. Oh, finger right there. Lit. Over here. Yeah, whoa. Oh, there we go. Yeah, oh, there it goes. There's a light. Over there, that is... Oh, excuse me. That is the 6K7G. Another one. And of course there's the rectifier tube lit, and then the dial lights. But other than that, absolutely not. Switch it over to the police band. There you go. Let's just slowly turn it around the dial. I'll go back up one end, and I'll quickly go back towards the other end. You can hear a little bit of whining. So anyway, that's what I'm getting. Turn it off. So if anyone has any idea what else I need to do, I've checked continuity on these guys and on the antenna. So I'm at a loss. So any help would be great, and I appreciate it. Again, this is a Silvertone 4586, and this is chassis 101425, because I know they made more than one for this radio. So anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day.